I'm not terribly sure with these colors. I do like the blue because my VW is blue. I'm not quite sure about the black. I was trying to match this because I have this, but somebody has stolen all of the center caps. This is a 90 millimeter, and those things are 44 bucks each on Amazon. So here I can print my own and have a custom cap for these, and I can save a lot of money. So these quarter turn 20 little knurls just came in, and they're made to heat up and go into the end of these. It's basically just like a riv nut, but for plastic. Heat them up, push them in. They work great. So now I can finally get these done and start mounting my camera to these instead of that cheap junk camera mounts that I've used for a couple of years that I've busted about a dozen of them. Ah, yes, that is much better. Well, okay, so last night I went ahead and printed another, and as you can kind of see, it is still pretty rough looking. I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to print it in a very high quality mode, make the layers much smaller, 1.2, and let's just see if that helps. Takes about 2 hours longer, but I'm going to give it a try. Oh, by the way. So that's what it turned out after I did it in silver, and I think that looks a lot better. Much, much better. Now I think what I'm going to do is go to the craft store, get some outdoor epoxy, and mix it all up, and then just pour it on there. Let it drip off the edges, fill all of this stuff in. And then I think this is going to be a very sturdy cap, even though it is made out of PLA. I'm going to varnish the back of it too, to ensure that this is fully encased in some kind of plastic, so it will hopefully last a long time. Who knows? Let's give it a shot. Now, of course, first time of the day, and I'm serious about this, level the doggone bed. Every morning, every time that you start off printing for the day, level the bed. All right, so now that I have loaded the new file onto the chip, I've inserted the chip, told the thing, let's go ahead and print that sucker. So now it's warming up. Well, for you, it'll be very, very quick. Ready? Are you waiting for it? Here it is. So the very high quality print, the highest that I can get with that nozzle, it is done. Even though this is painted, you can see that there's quite a lot of lines. The paint does actually fill in some of the lines, so you can tell it's quite a lot. Okay. So the quality definitely has improved quite a bit. This is impressive compared to the other, but this also took a little bit more than 2 hours to print this, but wow, it looks great. So if you need a little bit of extra detail in your print, that is the way to go. Go into your slicing software and then make the layers a whole lot less. In this version, it was at the highest quality that I could go, which is a 1.2. It's pretty doggone amazing. Outstanding. And I saved about $200 by doing this. 200 bucks. Now let's just hope that somebody doesn't rip them off again. You know what I think I'm going to do is Sikaflex them on. You try to rip them off, it's going to just tear them up. Might not be a great thing if they tear up the ones that are on there. Because then I'd have to replace the whole doggone thing, and then I'm looking at 200 bucks. Thieves suck. Thieves suck. Next time on the Print Lab, we're going to be looking at some really cool mods. So join me next time. You're not going to want to miss it. These things are pretty doggone cool, and they're really kind of essential if you're going to be printing with ABS or other real sensitive materials for heat. If you like what you see, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? That would be awesome. Leave a thumbs up. And if you have some kind of a question, leave a comment. That's always appreciated. I'll get back to you, I promise. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.